Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niela, and another red hair, and we are back with another video, guys. So today's video, just as the title says, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Luxe wax stick from Emwigs, and I'm going to be using it on a wig. I'm sure you guys can see the wig in the background just at the back. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Niela, just like what I said, and I create content around every freaking thing you see on this channel. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever a new video pops up on my channel. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You guys make this entire journey worth it. So guys, let us get into today's video. This is what the Luxe wax stick actually looks like from Emwigs, and it comes in a silver, and yeah, pretty much silver, and the text is written in brown, and it says wax stick is a lightweight blending wax that creates sleek finish look to complete any hairstyle without the white buildup. It adds shine, smoothens the hair by taming flyaways, and acts as a good heat protectant. So you see that this wax stick is actually a multi-purpose kind of product, because it tends to keep your hair in place without leaving any white residue. You know, there are some edge controls that actually leaves white residues, especially when you use them around your edges, and it also helps to tame flyaways on the hair and act as a heat protectant. So I'm going to be trying this on the wig behind me. I don't have like my hair. I don't think I want to try this on my hair, but in the nearest future I'm going to be trying this on my own natural hair. But I'm going to be trying this on the wig to see how it works, and also to show you guys how to use this on your wigs. So guys, let us dive into the video. So guys, this is the wig I'm going to be working on today, and I made this wig a couple of days back, and we are going to see, I haven't done anything to the wig apart from brush it, and no conditioner, no hair oil, nothing. So I'm going to be showing you guys how this works.